Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Singh Rathod and welcome in Gatewala platform. As you guys know, whenever any important updates available, we will try to provide you on the Gatewala platform. Currently, M.Tech admissions are running, and those IIT who are announcing the M.Tech admissions portal, we are providing you the complete information for the same. So, as you know, already the multiple IITs announced their M.Tech admission portal, and we already covered it for you. If we talk about particularly today's session, then we are going to discuss about the IIT Kharagpur M.Tech admissions portal. So IIT Kharagpur M.Tech admission portal is available. Information brochure is also released. Application process and everything is also available. So first of all, we will discuss the important dates. So the deadline, complete deadline is available. The online application form filling started from March 31st, 2026, and the last date is online application is April 18, 2026. Some branches they are going to conduct the interview. So May 2 to May 10 is the interview dates, and rest they will provide you the offer in the portal itself. So if we talk about the which type of programs are available here, so different programs are available here. You can check the programs. So aerospace engineering, like you can check specialization here. Major branches like mechanical, electrical, civil and AE gate paper students can apply. 20 seats are there. Gate scorecard plus interview they are going to conduct. If you completed your graduation out of this any discipline and you write the gate examinations in this discipline, you are eligible to apply. Similarly, there are farm machinery and power courses are there. So here AG gate paper 17 seats or mechanical gate paper 5 seats are there. Gate scorecard basis they are going to shortlist. Similarly, you can check for the other discipline. Artificial intelligence DA and CS gate paper 27 seats are there. EC electrical 9 seats are there. Total 36 direct gate scorecard basis. Out of this discipline, if you write completed your graduation, you are eligible to apply. Similarly, you can check for the other discipline like cyber physical systems 14 seats are there. City planning 47 seats are there. Similarly, transportation engineering 23 seats are there. Geotechnical engineering 23 seats are there. Chemical 63 seats are there, and computer science and engineering 76 seats are there. Gate scorecard based shortlisting is there. Microelectronics and VLSI courses 38 seats are there. RF and microwave 27. Communication signal processing 31. Vision and intelligence system 27. Similarly, power and energy system 22. Instrumentation and integrated electronics 22. Signal processing and machine learning 25. Renewable technology 12. And similarly, you can also check for the other department. Industrial engineering and management 19, and operation research and data analytics 15 seats are available, and gate scorecard. And out of this any discipline, if you have a gate paper, you can apply. Computer science and data processing courses, mathematics 24, EC electrical PhD 13 seats, total 37 seats are there. Similarly, you can check there are multiple other courses are also there. Mechanical courses are also available. So like thermal and fluid, XC, XCV, XCE gate paper students are eligible. And surprisingly, mechanical 48 seats are there, but core mechanical are there, not for XC. So this is very surprising. You can also check for geomatics, minerals and other courses. All the courses are mentioned here. So guys, this is the complete different masters courses are available. For the cutoff and placement video, you can check the Gatewala channel, and rest you can also join Kuldeep_PW Telegram channel. If you confuse as per your Gate scorecard what options you have, you can mention in the comment section of this video. We'll try to provide you the best possible options available for you. Thank you so much. We will meet in another video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.